Hello friends and welcome to this channel. In this video clip, I will tell you and also show you how you can repost stories in Facebook application. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under this video. Be sure to write comments after watching and subscribe to our channel. So friends, let's get started with this topic. First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. On the main page at the top, open any story that you would like to share. Open it up. Then here you'll be able to choose to share. So, click on this button right here. But as you can see, I was looking for a story like this so that I could share it. Because as you can see, for example, not all users can do that because some people have restricted that feature. So if you find a user who has this share button here, then they haven't restricted reposting their stories. Next, click here on this button. And then, friends, down here at the bottom you'll see this menu where you can share this story. For example, on Messenger, on WhatsApp. You can also copy the link to this story to send it somewhere. You can share it in a group somewhere. And you can also share to a particular user on Facebook. And you can also share to your own story if you click right here. This is where you get to this kind of story editor. You can zoom out, zoom in, drag and drop somehow, add music, effects, captions, and so on. And after you edit the story, you can share it if you click on this button right here. That's how, friends, you will be able to repost stories from Facebook to yourself or other people by different methods. Friends, I really hope this video has helped you and was useful to you. Please, friends, write your comments, put your likes, be sure to subscribe to the channel and see you soon.